Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the JPG or photos you want to combine. Open them in Windows Photos. Once the app loads, use the arrow keys to confirm order and orientation. You do this because Print to PDF captures what photos displays. Make sure to rotate or delete any extra images now. Doing that prevents extra pages. Once done, press Ctrl+P or click the print icon to proceed. This starts the conversion workflow without installing extra tools. You now use the print dialog to create a PDF. Select Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer because it converts images to a single PDF file. Next, set paper size and orientation, portrait or landscape, so images aren't cropped. Use the preview to check margins and scaling. If images look too small, select full page. Once satisfied, enter a page range if needed and click Print. This writes a PDF file instead of sending to a physical printer. You finish by naming and saving the PDF to a chosen folder. Include a date or description so you can find it. After saving, open the PDF in Edge or a PDF reader to verify page order, clarity, and orientation. If something's wrong, make adjustments in Photos, rotate or reorder, and repeat the Print to PDF step. If files won't save, check disk space and file permissions. Resetting Photos or restarting Windows usually resolves lock or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.